All right, the last one that we have is example 3 with our blood pressure. So each time your heart beats, your blood pressure first increases, then decreases as the heart rests between beats. The max and the min blood pressures are called the systolic and diastolic pressures, respectively. Your blood pressure reading is written as a systolic, diastolic, and a reading of 120/80 is considered normal. A certain person's blood pressure is modeled by the function P of t equals 115 plus 25 times the sine of 160 pi t, where P of t is going to be the pressure in millimeters of mercury, and t, at time t, that's measured in minutes. Okay, so P of t is going to be the pressure, and time t is going to be measured in minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is find the period of P. Okay, so to find the period, we are still going to use our value, and I wrote down P of t is the pressure that's measured in the millimeters of mercury, and then t is going to be the time in minutes. Here's your period. Now your K value here is going to be what's in front of t. So the K value is the 160 pi. That's exactly what we're going to plug in here, is the 160 pi, because that is what is in front. Should use a new highlighter color for that. In front of our t value. So, whoa, sorry. So when we plug that in, 2 pi over 160 pi, 2 over 160 is going to be 1/80. The pi's will cancel out. So that's going to be our period. And I just wanted you to remember that the period is going to relate to your x-axis, or what you're plugging in. Therefore, this is going to relate to your time in minutes, because that's your input. Okay, so this is going to represent 1/80th of a minute, okay, because it's 1/80. So for B, we're trying to find the number of heartbeats per minute, and we can just use our answer from part A. So since there's one heartbeat in 1/80th of a minute, in 1 minute there would be 80 heartbeats, because if you multiply this by 80, that would be a full minute, and that means there would be 80 heartbeats in the 1 minute. All right, nice job.